power of mind. Experiment. Are you ready?
We're going to do this experiment to prove how powerful the mind is.
Yeah, there are many experiments you can do, but we can do the simple one if you want.
Let's do this. Stick with that one.
Okay.
A lot of pressure here. And what does this mean?
Well, why don't you do it? Why don't
Okay.
you do it? Hold this.
So Oprah Winfrey is an American host and television producer, one of the biggest. The Vatican's Pope. She gets the first row to sit. She's the only woman to sit. Very powerful. And he is Dr. Deepak Chopra, doctor, Indian American, and he's an author. He gave up medicine. He said, medicine se vana. Mind is very, very powerful. You can cure everything if you cure things here.
String between your thumb and your forefinger. Just hold it. Rest your elbow comfortably on your thigh.
Oh, boy.
Okay. Yeah, rest it comfortably. I'll hold it still. Now, just while you're holding that still, mentally have the idea it's moving back and forth. Mentally have the idea that it's moving. Okay? Don't worry, it'll start moving, and it'll start moving wider and wider.
When you're doing it, mentally have the idea. Another, when we were speaking, right? In this, don't speak. Only have mental thought that it is moving front and back.
It's already doing that. Okay? In any direction you want. There you are. Now, once it's doing that, just change the idea in your mind that instead of swinging it like that, it's going to start swinging like this in a different direction.
Oh, my
mentally.
heavens.
See? Now, mentally have the idea that it's going to start making circles.
Start making circles.
Yes.
There you are. See? Circles. Now, bigger and bigger circles. There you are.
Oh, my heavens.
Okay?
I didn't think I could do it. I was feeling a lot of pressure here.
Okay?
Please understand the commands are front and back, left and right, clockwise, anti-clockwise, and stop. On your marks, get, set, go. What did we learn? இதிலிருந்து நம்ம என்ன learn பண்ணோம்? Believe. What you believe happens. This is not even believe. This is just having an idea, having a thought. You just having a thought can move things. Imagine you believe now, move mountains. That's what this is. It's not motivation. There is pure science behind it. We have close to 60 to 70,000 thoughts. An average person, I'm not talking about a person who is an overthinker. Average person studies has been done, plenty of science has been done, Litika, that we have close to 60 to 70,000 thoughts per day. Now, these are our thoughts. Thoughts control everything. We'll be able to understand. Now, this is a guess. You can guess. What do you think are more number of thoughts? Positive thoughts or negative thoughts? Negative. Lovely. Correct. Most of our thoughts are negative. Mudiyadu, idu kashtam, idu panna mudila, oh, idu bore adikudhu. More thoughts are negative thoughts. On average, it says a person has close to 70% of thoughts are negative. And that is the reason why life is miserable. Life is struggle. Life is a challenge. So a mind can create and mind can also destroy. Mind can create and mind can also destroy. Everybody, change your thoughts. Change your thoughts. Change your words. 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 Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I represent ICM, International Coaching Monks, here along with Mr. DK Dhoop, Dr. Purni, Anjuji, and finally under the guidance of Mr. Dey, we work with entrepreneurs just like you to help you implement concepts like FIFO, first in first out, JIT, just in time, management skills like Six Sigma and Lean, assembly line. And if you are looking to automate and take your business to the next level, ICM is the answer.